The honeybee is born with a body structure suited for digging and burrowing. In this arid wasteland, heat resources are scarce. The honeycomb, full of sugar, is a crucial energy reserve. The swarm guarding the hive launches hundreds of stinging attacks. A tremendous force rams from behind, interrupting the honeybee's burrowing. But the honeybee's physiological characteristics dictate that it will relentlessly pursue. This repeated tug-of-war exposes the stark contrast in their evolutionary paths. The feifei relies on its brief burst of strength to suppress its opponent, while the honeybee shows almost no instinctive escape reaction. The surrounding feifei swarm observes coldly, prioritizing their own survival and not collectively cooperating with the enemy. The primate's sharp weapons and brute force clash with the honeybee's resilient, thick hide, providing a defensive advantage. Both animals are rapidly depleting their energy reserves, which they initially intended to compete for. In the harsh, dry season, the energy consumed in fighting for food far exceeds the value of the food itself. The standoff erupts completely. This resource struggle escalates into a full-blown battle. Li Zongsheng, a Chinese music website. Subtitle volunteer. Li Zongsheng Feifei seized a crucial opening, ripped off the entire honeycomb, and retreated to the side to enjoy her spoils. On the other side, Honeyflower looked at the empty burrow, finding nothing. The energy source she had painstakingly dug had suddenly vanished. A massive physiological stress instantly swept through her body. Without hesitation, Honeyflower launched a fierce attack from Feifei's blind spot. The standoff between the two instantly reversed. This was no longer just a physical dispute. A surge of adrenaline surged, and Honeyflower launched an all-out attack. She entered a maneuvering mode and emerged from her core. This honeyflower was still young, lacking the strong skeletal structure of an adult honeyflower. Naboo Apex Trample Undersea Ocean Q Skills, CK Ministry. For Vi, the escalating fight attracted even more deadly bystanders. Noticing the honey badger's disadvantage in its initial movement, Feifei firmly planted its feet in the dust. Feifei, adept at judging distances, used its longer limbs to create a safety ring. Whether adult or young, A honey badger's bite force is enough to crush bones. The chaotic battle brought a massive sensory stimulation, creating dangerous blind spots for both sides. Leopards rarely hunt primates in broad daylight. It suddenly charged, gripping the monkey tightly, constricting its neck. The honey badger did not sprout. Driven by a surge of adrenaline, the honey badger didn't even consider fleeing. It frantically tore at the leopard's side and tail. The leopard tried to drag its prey away from the chaos. But once the honey badger entered a defensive stance, it was extremely difficult to dissuade it. This small mammal relentlessly pursued it. The leopard weighed the pros and cons, and to avoid serious injury, the big cat had no choice but to abandon its prey. Its lungs were severely damaged, but it miraculously survived. This escape from a desperate situation was truly